Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome and welcome back. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my rear diffuser. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys watch the video. Watch and learn. So actually done cutting all the pieces that I need to make this rear diffuser, and I didn't want to show you guys the whole process of, like measuring and cutting and all that, because the video is just gonna take too long. So instead, I'm gonna just show you guys how I, assemble everything and how it looks. So that's all the templates that I have measured and cut, and to prove that I did everything, there's all my scrap, and I have more in the back of my trunk. And if you guys are wondering what this is, I just made this today too. It took me about 20 minutes, but actually it's my homemade tripod where I can sit my phone just like that, and so I can do my work without, holding my phone. I mean, I think it'll work because, I'm broke. I don't have money. So, yeah. And enough of me talking, and let me show you guys how I assemble this. Made this straight line and I'm just gonna do it. so I think it's done. Yo, so I think it's done. Let me show you guys the result. It's kind of crooked, but you know, it's not the real thing yet. So check it out though. What do you guys think? You think it'll look good in the car, or check it out? That looks aggressive already. Damn. My car is gonna look tick. Shit, tick. Look at that. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's sick, man. I think it looks badass. You know. So yeah. Yo, I'm stoked. I can't wait to build this and actually install it in my car. Man, I can't wait. It looks nice though. I like it. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like.